Let me ask you something real quick. What is square root of 81? You probably answer it without a blink. That's easy. It is 9. But what if I ask you the square root of 84? You will suddenly get stuck and start thinking maybe a little more than 9. That is when it gets a bit tricky and not so easy to solve.
Tough.
But don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you an excellent trick to estimate square root at blink of your eye. Just watch the video to the end, as I'm also going to show you when not to use this method and how to avoid some common mistakes that everyone makes.
So let's begin first with the square root of 84. Step 1. Write down somewhere all the squares between the number 1 to 10. Now our job is to find a perfect square number which is just less than 84. We can see it is 81, whose perfect square root is number 9. We can write it here. So we are aware that our answer is 9 plus some fraction. Now take this 81 and subtract it with 84. You will get 3. Now put that 3 in numerator just like this and take this number 9 and double it, which gives you 18. Now solving this fraction, 3 divided by 18, we get 1 by 6, which is 0.16. Adding it to the number 9, you get 9.16.
So the square root of 84 is 9.165, which we can find much faster and even super fast than a calculator. Let us solve another example. Find the square root of 42. The only perfect square that is less than 42 is number 36, whose square root is 6. Let's write it here. Now subtracting 36 from 42, we get 6. Keeping the 6 at numerator and multiplying 6 by 2, we get 12, like this. So solving fraction 6 divided by 12, we get 1 over 2, or 0.5. Now adding 6 with 0.5, we get 6.5. As we check the actual, square root of number 42 is 6.489, which is exactly 6.5. That's amazing, right?
Now let's try one more example of 68. The perfect square number less than 68 is 64, whose square root is 8. Now, subtracting 64 from 68, we get 4 as numerator, and multiplying 8 with 2, we get 16. Now, again solving the fraction, 4 divided by 16, we get 1 over 4, or 0.25. Adding it to 8, we get 8.25. The actual square root is 8.246.
Let's practice one more at lightning quick speed. The number is 29. The perfect square number less than 29 is 25, whose square root is 5. Now, subtracting 25 from 29, we get 4 as numerator. And multiplying 5 by 2, we get 10. Now, again, solving the fraction, 4 divided by 10, we get 2 over 5, or 0.4. Adding it to 5, we get 5.40. The actual square root is 5.39, which is exactly 5.4. It's amazing, right?
Now here you need to be cautious, considering some exceptions. Let us try to find square root of 2 using this method. The smaller perfect square to 2 is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Multiplying 1 by 2, we get 2. So fraction is 1 over 2, which are 0.5. So our estimate is 1.5. That's nowhere close to square root of 2, which is 1.414. Now to improve this estimate, we have to take 1.5 here, just like this, square it, to get 2.25. We write it here. Now 2 minus 2.25 gives us minus 0.25. Multiply 1.50 with 2, we get 3. So the fraction is minus 0.25 divided by 3. We get minus 1 over 12. Subtracting it with 1.5, we get 1.417. This is much better, right? This process of repeating estimates is known to be Babylonian method. The oldest civilization of Mesopotamia first applied it, which was rediscovered in 17th century by Sir Isaac Newton. If you really find some value in our math content, do subscribe to our channel, Mathspire, and like this video. Until then, take care and keep on learning.